Changing the game, unveiling the power of a transformative phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language and unlock the secrets to becoming fluent English speakers. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as dynamic as it is popular: to change the game. This phrase is not just about sports. It's about revolutionizing any field or situation. So, let's break it down and understand how you can use it to sound more like a native speaker. To change the game means to significantly alter the manner in which something is done, to introduce a new strategy, or to innovate in a way that completely transforms the existing norms or expectations. When someone or something changes the game, they set new standards, making previous methods look outdated or less effective. While the phrase might sound like it comes straight from the world of sports, its usage spans far beyond. It applies to business, technology, fashion, and more. The origins of this phrase are indeed rooted in competitive sports, where changing the game plan can lead to surprising victories. However, today, it symbolizes innovation and disruption in any context. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase comes to life. In technology, when a new smartphone introduces a technology that's never been seen before, it's said to change the game for mobile devices. In business, a startup might change the game by introducing a new business model that challenges traditional industries. In everyday life, someone might change the game in their personal development by adopting a unique approach to learning or problem-solving. Using "to change the game" in your conversations can add depth and dynamism. It's perfect for situations where you want to express admiration for innovation or discuss transformative changes. For example, the new policy on renewable energy could really change the game for global warming. This app has changed the game in how we shop online. And there you have it. To change the game is all about breaking barriers, setting new benchmarks, and embracing innovation. We hope this video helps you understand how to use this powerful phrase in your English conversations and perhaps even inspires you to change the game in your own language learning journey. Remember, every word you learn is a step closer to fluency. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.